If you need to do a factory reset but can't get into the settings menu, then this is how you can do it without actually being able to get the screen turned back on or being able to navigate within the UI of the Samsung Galaxy. So we're going to have to go into recovery mode. And now this bypasses the Android portion, so then we can actually go ahead and factory reset. And we're going to do that by making sure that the phone's off, but then we're going to hold the side button and the volume up at the same time. So go ahead and hold it down now. I'm holding. It takes a little bit of time, so please be patient. So once you have that Samsung logo popped up, it should take you to this screen, okay? And from here, we're going to use the volume up and down to go up and down the menu. Once we get to here, it says wipe data factory reset. Once you do this, the phone will be completely wiped out. You'll lose everything on the phone, and you're going to have to use your Google account to log back in or start to use the phone again. All right, so be careful. Make sure that your data is backed up if you can. And this is for, like, you know, kind of emergency, like if you just, no matter what you do, the phone's not working and you just need to reset the whole thing, which in that case you'll lose everything in the phone as well, unless it's backed up in like the cloud. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it helps. Once again, you could also go, if you're stuck in recovery mode, then you would just go to reboot now, system now, to get out of it. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If the video helps, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.